How to transfer USD or equivalent cryptocurrency from OKX to Binance. Introduction. This guide explains the step-by-step process for transferring USD or equivalent cryptocurrency from your OKX wallet to your Binance wallet. Ensure both accounts are active and you've completed the necessary identity verifications. Step 1. Log in to your OKX account. 1. Open the OKX app or visit the OKX website. 2. Enter your login credentials and complete any two-factor authentication to FA if enabled. Step 2. Check your USD balance. 1. Navigate to the Assets section of your OKX account. 2. Confirm you have sufficient USD or its equivalent cryptocurrency, for example, USDT, USDC. Step 3. Choose the cryptocurrency to transfer. Since USD is not directly transferable between platforms, you'll need to convert it into a cryptocurrency like USDT, USDC. If you already hold such cryptocurrency, skip to step 4. To convert, go to Trade or Convert on OKX. Exchange your USD into your preferred cryptocurrency, for example, USDT. Step 4. Get your Binance deposit address. 1. Log into your Binance account via the app or website. 2. Go to the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. 3. Search for the cryptocurrency you are transferring, for example, USDT. 4. Click Deposit and select the appropriate network, for example, ERC-20, TRC-20, or BEP-20. Copy the generated deposit address. Step 5. Withdraw from OKX. 1. Return to your OKX account and navigate to the Withdraw section. 2. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example, USDT. 3. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Choose the same network, for example, TRC-20, ERC-20, or BEP-20 to avoid loss of funds. 5. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and review the transaction details. Step 6. Confirm the transaction. 1. Confirm the withdrawal request by entering the required security details, for example, to FA code. 2. Wait for the transaction to be processed. Processing times vary based on the network and traffic, but typically take 5 to 30 minutes. Step 7. Verify deposit on Binance. 1. Log into Binance and navigate to the wallet greater than Fiat and Spot section. 2. Check the status of your deposit. Once confirmed, the funds will appear in your Binance wallet. Tips for a smooth transfer. Double-check addresses, ensure the deposit address and selected network on both platforms match. Network fees. Be aware of withdrawal and network fees on OKX. Small test transfer. If transferring a large amount, perform a small test transfer first. Support. If funds do not arrive after confirmation, contact OKX or Binance customer support with the transaction ID. Conclusion. Transferring funds between OKX and Binance is straightforward if you carefully follow these steps. Always double-check details to avoid errors or loss of funds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.